Hi, this is Diane Huth again for my third video in a row about LinkedIn. LinkedIn has so much valuable content and so many wonderful resources that it would take me half an hour to do one single video. So I wanted to break it up into parts that you have time to look at it and digest it. But it's really important that you learn some of the wonderful tools that you can use LinkedIn for. We talked about posts and articles in the last video. I want to talk about jobs. This is the best way to find a job. And it's very simple. Make sure on your profile that if you're looking for a job, you click the little button that says you're open to having recruiters reach you, that you're actively looking for a job, and you can put some information in there. And you can do searches proactively to try and connect with people. And so you can look at a whole bunch of different information. You can go through under the job companies section, and you can look at people who work for the company you want to work for, who have the job titles that you want, in the geography that you want. There's a whole bunch of different characteristics that you can select for in searching for people. And what you'll find is that you have first connections and second connections and all non-connections. So first connections are people that you know. So that's why it's so important that you invite people to your page by giving LinkedIn permission to access all your email databases. And you want to invite all those people, because then you'll have hundreds and hundreds, maybe thousands of people that you know, and then those will be your primary contacts, your primary connections, as everybody that you know who has linked to you. But everybody that they know then becomes your secondary contacts. So let's say you want to find a job for Procter & Gamble on Pampers. So you can do a search for Procter & Gamble or for Pampers, whatever it is, and then you find everybody you know who knows somebody in that company firsthand and what that person is, and then secondhand. So you can use that to leapfrog from one connection to another. Many different ways that you can look for jobs. You can build your own profile. You can add information about what you're looking for. This is an absolutely great tool. You can instant message. If you pay for a monthly premium subscription, it allows you to instant message directly to people that you may not know. So you're limited with your in-mail, is what it's called. LinkedIn's in-mail is you can send almost text messages to anybody that you're personally connected with, including inviting anybody in your email database to join, to connect with you. But if you have a premium subscription, which costs anywhere from $29 to $50 a month, then you can connect with people that you don't know. You can send personal in-messages to contacts that you don't know, like the CEO of a company that you don't know. It also unmasks some of the top executives that you might want to reach. So often CEOs will not have their personal profiles on LinkedIn because they know they'll be inundated with everybody who wants to work for them. But if you get a premium subscription, then those people will be unmasked. You'll be able to contact them. You'll have the ability to in-message them and to find out their names and more information. So that's also a very important tool. So use InMail effectively, build your database. LinkedIn, once you have this database, which means you invite all of the people that you know, maybe you have 1,000 people, it will send you updates on everybody's birthdays, work anniversaries. If they change jobs, if they have anything meaningful in their profile, you will get a message saying, hey, Mary Jones had a birthday today, or so-and-so is on their 4th year work anniversary, or Bob just changed jobs. Then you can go in and make sure you go in every day, and you can contact these people and wish them messages. You can connect personally. Make sure that you build personal relationships on LinkedIn, because it's going to provide you with so many professional contacts. Very, very important for you. So make sure that you do this and use InMail as effectively as you can in building your personal network. I'll make a 4th video with additional information on how to use LinkedIn, because there's so many valuable tools, and I want to make sure that you know about all of them.